So good morning all of you. We already started our one of the most important chapter, that is electrochemistry. So what do you mean by electrochemistry? It is generally the branch of physical chemistry that deals with what? So it is generally the branch of chemistry that deals with physical and the chemical properties. Okay. So this is what the main important definition of your electrochemistry, that it generally related to our physical chemistry, which is important branch of chemistry. Now from electrochemistry we are going to start with our main important topic. The name of that topic is electrochemical reaction. कुठला टॉपिक आहे इम्पॉर्टंट? सो दिस बिलॉन्ग्स टू इलेक्ट्रोकेमिस्ट्री. Most important topic from electrochemistry, that is electrochemical reaction. So this is generally the type of reaction which generally includes the conversion of chemical energy to electrical energy or electrical energy to chemical energy. म्हणजे काय? एक तर केमिकल एनर्जीचं कन्वर्जन कशात होतं? इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी. किंवा इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जीचं कन्वर्जन कशात होतं? So depending upon that factor, this electrochemical energy is divided into the two types. It generally classified into the two type of cell, and that cell is known as, first type of that cell is electrolytic cell. Galvanic cell. म्हणजे एक तर त्याचं कन्वर्जन कशात होतं? केमिकल एनर्जीचं इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी. इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जीचं कन्वर्जन कशात होतं? केमिकल एनर्जी. So depending upon that factor, the electrochemical cell is mainly classified into the two types. The first type of this cell is known as electrolytic cell, and the second type is known as galvanic cell. Now what do you mean by electrolytic cell? So electrolytic cell is the type of cell in which generally the conversion of electrical energy to chemical energy. So this is the first type of cell which convert your electric energy to the chemical energy. Now when we consider the second type of cell, the name of second type of cell is your galvanic cell, and it generally deals with what? Conversion of chemical energy to the electrical energy. कळालं? So this is one of the most important topic known as electrochemical cell. It generally includes your chemical convergence of energy, having the two types: electrolytic cell, electrochemical cell. One is consist of conversion of chemical energy to electrical energy, and another consists of कळालंय सगळ्यांना? याच्यात काय डाऊट? लक्षात फक्त ठेवायचं काय? एकाचं कन्वर्जन इलेक्ट्रोलायटिक मध्ये काय होतं? इट कन्वर्ट्स इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी टू and another convert, that is galvanic cell, converts chemical energy to the electrical energy. Now we are going to start the construction or the instrumentation of your electrolytic cell. Now what are the instruments are going to consider into the electrolytic cell? म्हणजे याचं स्ट्रक्चर, म्हणजे इन्स्ट्रुमेंट आपण कसं कन्सिडर करतो इलेक्ट्रोलायटिक सेल मध्ये? हे सगळं कशात घेतो आपण? इन्स्ट्रुमेंटेशन मध्ये घेतो. इन्स्ट्रुमेंटेशन इलेक्ट्रोलायटिक सेल कशी कन्सिस्ट करते बघा. सो दिस सेल इज जनरली डील्स विथ व्हॉट? electrical energy to chemical energy. Now when I consider the cell, the basic instrument of the cell is, it consists of the beaker with electrolyte. So this is your beaker which consists of electrolyte. Okay, so as it consists of electrolyte, that means what? There is a ions are present in that solution. So when I consider the NaCl as an electrolyte, it consists of the ions as Na plus Cl minus. So the first instrument used in the electrolytic cell is your electrolytic solution. Now we are going to dip the electrode into that electrolytic cell. There are generally two electrodes. So these are the two electrodes which are dipped into that electrolytic cell. Out of these two electrodes, one electrode is known as cathode and another electrode is known as anode. So the second main important instrument used in the electrolytic cell is electrodes. So this is your electrolytic solution. In that we are going to take the two electrodes. पहिलं काय consider केलं? Electrolytic solution. त्याच्यानंतर दोन electrode which is generally made up of metals or the graphite. Graphite चे बनवलेले असतात किंवा metals चे बनवलेले असतात. ते काय करणार आपण? Electrolytic solution मध्ये dip करणार. Out of these two electrode, one electrode is cathode, that is positively charged, another one is anode, negative charge. कळालं? किंवा इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल इलेक्ट्रोगॅल्व्हॅनिक सेल मध्ये काय होतं? As one shows negative charge in the electrolytic cell, the charge is differ from the electrolytic cell. Okay, so these are your two electrodes. One is cathode, another one is anode. The next instrumentation is what? In order to measure the potential or the resistance developed by using these two electrodes, it is measured by using measurement circuit, and that these two electrodes are measured to what? Connected to what? Measurement circuit. So this is what your general instrumentation of your electrolytic cell. So it is generally consists of electrolytic solution. Then the electrodes are dipped into this solution, and this cathode and anode, both the electrodes, they are then connected to your measurement circuit in order to measure the resistance or potential. याच्यावरती जो काय पोटेन्शियल डेव्हलप झालाय तो मेजर कशाने केला जातो? मेजरमेंट सर्किट. कळालं इथपर्यंत? So electrolytic cell, this is what the general construction of your electrolytic cell. Now how to write the overall reaction of this electrolytic cell? So construction कळालं सगळ्यांना? So as we consider the two electrode, one is cathode, another one is anode, oxidation and reduction takes place on these two electrodes. Oxidation and reduction. So the main important property of this electrochemical reaction is that it consists of the two reaction. One is oxidation half reaction, another one is reduction half reaction. म्हणजे एका रॉड वर काय होतं? ऑक्सिडेशन हाफ रिएक्शन होते, दुसऱ्या रॉड वर काय होतं? रिडक्शन हाफ रिएक्शन. आणि दोघांचं कॉम्बिनेशन करून आपल्याला जी रिएक्शन मिळते त्याला म्हणतात रेडॉक्स रिएक्शन. सो ॲज हियर टू इलेक्ट्रोड्स आर देयर, one is cathode, another one is anode. On the anode, which reaction takes place? Oxidation. So when I consider the oxidation reaction, anode is the electrode. On that electrode, oxidation half cell reaction takes place. Half cell reaction takes place. So on the anode, oxidation half cell reaction takes place. Anode shows which charge in the electrolytic cell? Positive. And the cathode? Negative. So as I consider the NaCl as an electrolyte, which one of the ion attracted towards this positive charge? Cl. So as anode is positive, Cl minus, that is minus charge attracted towards what? Positive charge. So this Cl minus attracted towards what? So obviously then the oxidation half Cl reaction takes place on anode. बरोबर? काय रिएक्शन येईल? इट इज 2Cl मायनस. Cl कुणाकडे अट्रॅक्ट होतोय? आणि Na प्लस कुणाकडे अट्रॅक्ट होतोय? सो ॲज इट शोज अ पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज, इट इज ऑब्वियसली अट्रॅक्टेड टुवर्ड्स नेगेटिव्ह पोल इलेक्ट्रोड. ओके, नेगेटिव्हली चार्ज इलेक्ट्रोड. And which one is the negatively charged here? Cathode is the negative charge. So as Na plus is positive, it is attracted towards negative charge. So out of these two, on the cathode we are going to oxidation half cell reaction carried out on anode. This is your half cell reaction. Okay. So this is oxidation half cell reaction plus on the cathode there is what? Reduction. So this is your reduction half cell reaction. When we are going to combine this oxidation half cell, reduction half cell, we get what? A total overall reaction. And that total overall reaction is known as what? Redox reaction. Understand? So redox reaction is generally the combination of oxidation half cell, reduction half cell. कळालं इथपर्यंत? So oxidation हाफ सेल रिएक्शन कॅथोड वर होते, अर्धी रिएक्शन रिडक्शन कोणावर होते? एकावर ऑक्सिडेशन होतं, एकावर रिडक्शन होतं. कॉम्बिनेशन गिव्स व्हॉट? कळालं सगळ्यांना? थँक्यू.